Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows key not working properly on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If your Windows laptop keyboard Windows key not working properly, then here are the fixes. The first one is open control panel in your system and here go to the ease of access center. Click on it.
Always scan this section.
Here from the available menu, you will scroll down and you will find the option make the keyboard easier to use. Adjust settings for the keyboard, click on it and here scroll down and go to the filter key option. Turn on filter keys and make sure that this feature is disabled. So simply turn off filter keys on your system and thereafter choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your
Always scan this section.
laptop keyboard Windows key working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open Run dialog box and here type REZEDIT. Open Registry Editor Windows in your system. Here from the available menu from the left side, go to H key local machine. Expand it. Thereafter expand system and here expand control current control set and expand control and here scroll down and you will find keyboard layout. After selecting keyboard layout, you will find a key from the right side naming scan code Mac key. From selecting keyboard layout, you will find a key naming scan code map key from the right side. So don't look for anymore. Simply go to right side and if that key you will find, simply delete it. A scan code map key. Delete this key and check whether your Windows key not working properly, error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to the option gaming and from the right side, open game mode and make sure that game mode is turned off. If you found it in not, then disable game mode in your system. The next one is update keyboard driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager. And here from the available driver list, go to the keyboard section, expand it and right click on your keyboard and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Update your keyword driver. After that, close the windows and check whether Windows key working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and here first execute DISM tool. These three DISM tool as shown on a screen execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three DISM tool on your command prompt windows one by one followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, don't forget to restart your system